10 more for this guy.
Oh no!
Diapers fell over.
Oh no!
Dang, right on Hiro's shoes. Dang, I don't even want to know. Welcome to a new episode of First Timers Baby Edition. And you have your host here, Hiro.
What's
as well
up,
as
everyone?
myself, Alvin, superstars of the show. And today, Hiro is going to introduce what we're doing.
We got another Diaper Genie here. This one's called the Diaper Genie Elite. And you guys saw the video, or if you haven't seen the video, we're putting it on the top right here of this Diaper Genie right here. It's called Diaper Genie Complete.
Yes.
So we're gonna be comparing the two and seeing which one would hold more crap.
Literally. And if you guys don't believe me, we got our diapers.
Insert poop emoji here.
And this is actually from a couple of viewers that actually have been asking us to do a comparison video. Yeah, it's a lot of weight, I know. And one actually had us do a second video on these particular, on the actual Diaper Genie, because he was excited to see another video. And so he wanted us to do a third video, and we actually had a couple people asking about different things. And so we're gonna be doing a third video, and Hiro was, his name was brought up, and
I get the privilege of
putting in poop
Yeah.
into the diapers. Now, when
Diaper Genies.
Yeah, when we get the totals, just keep in mind that these diapers are size 2. So I know a lot of people say, hey, you can fit smaller size diapers and you can fit a lot more in. But we're gonna be like, hey, we're gonna fit them. We'll see what happens and all that fun stuff. So, you ready, Hiro?
I think so.
Hey, he's like, I think so. He's like, I'm afraid.
Wait, hold up. I'm not ready yet. Now I'm gonna be ready.
He has his gloves. He's ready to go.
Got my mask on.
All right, so we're gonna start filling them up. We'll actually have Hiro start by loading them in the top, kind of just seeing how they function, how they both function, and we'll see if you can kind of figure out this Diaper Genie. And he already set this one up, so like I said, that video is gonna be up in the right-hand corner of how we set this particular guy up. So he'll be able to see which one actually operates and works better. Obviously, we did wipe him completely down, so he doesn't have to worry about anything. So he's like, yes. But yeah, let's jump into it. Exciting.
Alright, so we're just gonna start with the lid opening mechanism here. It's the same for both. You push down with your foot, lid pops up, throw the diapers down. For the Diaper Genie Complete, same thing. Put your foot down, and the lid opens. The only difference I saw right now is that this has like an odor eater or a moisture absorption bag here that you can refill. That's the only difference that I noticed right now. And same here, you pop this lid open, and you can tell just by looking at it, it's significantly larger, the capacity. And if I pull this to the side, that's where you use the cutter and tie the bag down. This lid opens forward, and it looks smaller, and the cutter's right here. Now we're gonna see how many diapers this thing can hold. Just gonna start by just digging into this bag here. Woo! Grabbing one fully loaded diaper. Down she goes.
Now let's see how the ease is, and as you're using it, which one you think feels better too. So as you put it in, let it drop. Let's see what happens. Does it drop?
No, it's still there.
It's still there.
It went down a little bit.
Okay, try close it again.
Is that what it's supposed to do?
There it is.
Oh, I just heard it drop.
Alright, so it took a second to drop, so alright, so we're gonna do another one here.
So it has some suction.
I don't think it has any suction.
No?
I just think it's just
No, I can see the bag moving.
yeah, maybe.
Anyways.
Yeah. Or it's the rod that goes behind it.
Oh, okay.
That moves it, I don't know. We'll see.
Diaper number 2. Whee! Potty go down the hole.
Alright. So boom.
Diaper number 3.
Hey, I feel like it's not dropping. He's like,
Oh, this one's heavy. This one's got some weight.
this will force everything down.
This one was Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Dang, still no drop.
It's dropping.
Okay, it's dropping? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, wait, let's go to this one now. Let's see.
So that was 4.
That was 4 so far.
Yeah.
I remember that 4. Here, it's gonna be on the new one here. So the Diaper Genie Complete.
This
And maybe that one has like a little thing on it. So a little wipe. So it goes one with a wipe.
I feel like the opening on this one's a little tighter.
Yeah. I feel like it dropped a little easier.
Yeah, it did drop.
So.
Oh yeah, it's dropping.
Yeah, it's not. You can like this one. You can tell it's like dropping.
Yeah, this one's you could hear it sliding.
So 2 and 4.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. Do we want to show this?
Now just drop it in. All right, so we're gonna time lapse this portion as Joe's dropping them in, and we'll count them for you guys. So we'll get this one up to 4 right now. So we're just gonna try to match them, and then we'll kind of get through it. So we won't bore you with all the gore of putting poop in there.
The graphics.
Yes. All right. So it's 4 in there.
That's 4.
All right. So let's do. Let's try to do 10 in this one, and then 10 in that one.
Okay. So. Oh yeah, 10.
All right.
So that's yeah,
14. So 10 more for this guy.
Oh no! Cut.
Diapers fell over.
Oh no!
Dang, right on Hiro's shoes. Dang, I don't even want to know.
All right, this is one big stinky diaper. 2. That's it, that's 10.
Okay. Here, cool.
Oh.
Yeah, now that we have that finished, so now we have total of 14 diapers in each one so far. So like I said, our goal is to fill these bad boys up. We're gonna see how crazy they get. So far, let's kind of show them what we got going here so far. So the first one here is pretty full. Second one actually looks like there's more room in there actually already.
Yeah.
This
There's
one is
still all this space here.
So this one's, if you notice when it closes here, you can kind of see it's already it kind of already has locked it in there. But this one, it looks like there's just so much space in there. It looks like this one's gonna outdo this Diaper Genie by far.
You
so you can kind of see it there. But this one's already already full up to the mechanism here, and this one isn't. So that's okay. We're gonna keep on going. We're gonna see what happens. I left a little extra at the bottom so we can kind of try to stuff them as much as we can in there. So we'll see what happens. So we're at 14.
14 each.
And so we'll continue with the Elites.
All right.
And again, we're gonna time lapse this guys just for you.
This is a light one. It's just like nom 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 nom.
All right, guys.
Ooh, 25 diapers.
So there you go. So we pretty much loaded it to the top. You can kind of
Yeah, it's heavy.
come out. Yeah. So we literally loaded all the diapers in here. It's pretty much keeping it from closing now, and that is 25 diapers. Now keep in mind they weren't all perfectly wrapped and all that fun stuff. I know some people are probably really good about that, but I'm going off of kind of what maybe a male would do, and just kind of just like put it in there. You can probably tell which ones I change and which ones my wife changes because she's just very good about like closing everything, and I'm just like, get it in the toilet, or not in the toilet, in the Diaper Genie. So, but yeah, this thing is full. Let's get you guys in there a little bit.
Oi!
So you can kind of see we have this thing, and it could probably curl around inside and probably do better.
It is curling around inside.
But my thing is our typical changing of the diapers would be you know, kind of like this and you get it to that certain point. I'd have to say safely 25 diapers total.
Yep. Oh, sorry. And snug.
And it's snug, yeah, so that is gnarly. That is insane. So pretty much we're gonna go in this one now. And we're at 14 diapers, so we're gonna see if we can get up to at least 25 in this one. Like I said, this one feels bigger, so we'll see what happens. 15.
Football.
16. Oh. Jamming again. Jamming at 15.
Oh, it's almost full already.
A few minutes later.
Let's see if we can get it to fold in there. Now the door is starting to get harder to shut. You can kind of see that it's
bulging out now. Yeah.
It's pushing. Look at that.
It's not fully closed anymore, Philip. It's not fully closed anymore.
You can kind of see that it's like
it's gonna go.
On it, so it wants to sit happy right there. That's kind of its happy spot. But,
it's kind of like loosening your belt after Thanksgiving.
Yeah. But right now it's starting to get really full. You can definitely see that. Right now, the way this is designed, you have the little push mechanism that runs up the back. So I think it's starting to get tighter so it can't actually push in there. And you have the cutter here. So when you try to open it, there's no real way to use that extra, what was that, 1.5 inches, 2 inches here, because of the cutter. But we're okay. Oh, there we go.
We are at 20. Woo! Can we do 21?
Yeah, we'll be able to get 22 in there.
Oh, this one's heavy. This one's gonna push everything down.
No. Eat it. Eat it.
That's it.
That's
Thing's
it.
gonna burst open.
Yeah.
So that's 22.
22 diapers. So that is. Look at that.
Yeah. It's done. That's the button flying off.
So. I don't know what this proves. I don't know why people were why people wanted to know. But right now, the old Diaper Genie Elite was able to stuff a nice 25 diapers in there, and then the new the Complete was only able to do 22.
22.
So what does that teach us about science?
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy. Dang.
Change it before it gets as bad.
And if you guys, when you go and check out our other Diaper Genie video, I did leave a tip in there on how to save these bags. And I feel like a lot of people should know about it. And pretty much that's going into a regular bag. Because again, these diaper bags are pretty expensive. And the idea was to, dang, that's a lot of diapers. Like not even safe to pull out. Okay. So the idea would be to cut off the knot and drop it into the actual Diaper Genie here. So you cut off the very bottom.
Not the Diaper Genie.
Not the Diaper Genie, but the bag, yeah. So now you just dump all your diapers right into a bag. And pretty much you're saving money on these bags, because these bags are not cheap. And if you notice, like this Diaper Genie bag is a different color than the other one from Diaper Genie, just because I went with a cheaper brand. And we also talk about that in one of our videos. But literally just fold up the bottom here, put it right at the back of the bottom there, and boom, look how nice that shuts again.
Yep.
Sorry.
And this bag smells good, so.
Yep, and so you get a nice smelly diaper bag, but literally between both diapers, the Elite and the Genie, you're able to put, 47 diapers in both. Not bad.
That's a win.
Yeah, definitely a win for the Elite. It's a little clunkier, but I do like this design, just being able to open the lid, and it helps push the diapers down. So that was actually pretty cool, and it leaves the lid down. Where this one, when we were trying to drop the diapers, it just...
Yeah, gravity works better with this one.
Yeah, I mean, and is that the one that you kind of like more, or?
I like this one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll have some other great videos coming up too. We get to actually show AJ having his first solid food, so that's going to be interesting next week. We're definitely excited to showcase that, as well as the next video after we'll be talking about his 5 months and everything that's gone on so far. But yeah, anyway, it's coming up. We're excited.
All right, you guys.
Hopefully, guys, hit that like button.
Make sure to hit that like
button. Smash it.
Scroll down to the bottom right of the screen. Make sure to hit that subscribe.
Yes.
Scroll down to the bottom of the description field. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Yes, so we do have a lot of stuff coming. So anyway, guys, see you later. Enjoy.
Baby edition.